So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to swap your BNB Beacon chain to BNB Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet. So basically, first open your Trust Wallet application, and once you're in, just simply link your current wallet if you have one, but if you don't, just simply click the Create New Wallet. And once you're in, just simply locate the BNB, which is a bunch of cryptocurrency will pop up on your dashboard. Just find the BNB and click the swap icon. But take note that when you click the BNB, make sure that it is on the BNB Beacon chain. After you click the swap button, select the swap button again. And once you're in, make sure that the from section is indicated as BNB Beacon chain and the cryptocurrency coin is set to BNB Beacon chain as well. And the lower section, which is the 2, make sure that the network is set to the BNB Smart Chain while the cryptocurrency coin is set to the BNB. And just click the confirm for you to able to proceed to the confirmation. And that's how you swap BNB Beacon Chain to BNB Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.